Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm really excited. I'm going to be using a new palette from September Rose Cosmetics, and this is the Slush II palette. Now I did do a video on the original Slush palette, and I will have that video linked above for you guys. But if you are interested in seeing this, I will show you. It's really beautiful. It is actually the same exact price as the original Slush tablet. Slush palette. It is $30. It is really pretty. It's all matte, you guys. It does have 20 shades instead of 25 shades. Look at these. They're so pretty. And here it is up against the original Slush palette. Now, if you guys would like to see both of these swatches together, I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and do that and compare all of them on my Instagram. But this one is all matte again, and it does have different types of the same colors. So it does have your red and pink, your orange, your green and yellow, blue, and then your purple. These are the perfect pair of sister palettes that you guys can put together. So as usual, I do have swatches for this, and I really liked these. I didn't do the same theme. I did a similar theme. It was still like a tropical theme, but I didn't want to create the same exact like story, so I did a little bit more of a vibrant background with the neon yellow and neon pink for this one. I just have to say a huge thank you to September Rose. They did add me to their PR list, so I was sent this in PR, and I am so incredibly thankful for that. And I do have a code with them. It is KEARA. I believe it's in all caps, and I will have that above, but I also have it in the description below so you guys can see that. So you guys can feel free to use that if you want to save any money with September Rose Cosmetics. Now most of the colors are from this, but I did use one color from the original Slush palette, and that was this gorgeous cerulean blue, and it's called Blue Lagoon, and it is this shimmery blue right here, and I just popped that right on the center. But some other things that I did use for this look is the Suva Beauty Hydro Liner in Kiana Leaves. It's a really beautiful bright green. This one did not burn my eyes, you guys, and it went on beautifully. I've been wearing this for several hours. I actually had to stop mid-film and go for a couple hours to pick up my kids from school and come back, and then I had to run some errands after that. So I've been wearing this for a while, and the liner is beautiful. And I also got sent in PR some beautiful glitters from Angel Empire Cosmetics, and this one is their birthday edition, so it is a really cute yellow glitter, and it has some confetti sparkles mixed in, a whole bunch of different colors. I'll be swatching these on my Instagram, so if you guys would like to see those, make sure you are part of my Instagram so you guys can see all my swatches of all my new products. And I am wearing lashes from Nostalgia Cosmetics in She's So Saucy. But if you would like to see this really bright, fun, glittery, like swoopy doop with some glitter added, then just keep watching. guys, for blush, I'm going in with California from Benefit. It is a really pretty coral color, and then I'm going to do a pink lipstick. And for highlight, I'm going in with one of my favorites. It's the Wet n Wild Mega Glow in Bloom Time. It is a really beautiful pinky peach color. And last but not least, for lips, I'm going in with Fenty Beauty in the color Unlocked. And it is a beautiful hot pink. It's gonna go with the color underneath my eyes, and I think it's really beautiful. Alright you guys, that is all I have for this. My hair is all up in my face. Oh my gosh, this is so annoying. And also I'm really orange and I don't know why, but it's okay. You guys, that is all I have for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's really bright and fun and end of summery. That's my dog. He's very loud. But that is all I have, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!